This 2023 Entegra Coach Odyssey 24B is a Class C RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Entegra Coach is 26 feet 8 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleep 6, LP detector, stove-top burner, TV, skylight, awning, refrigerator, microwave, smoke detector, external shower, air conditioning, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, couples coach, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2023 Entegra Coach Odyssey 24B is built on a Ford E450 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.